In this video, we're going to talk about the verb like. We use the verb like to talk about things that make us happy, or to talk about things that don't make us happy. They like books. I don't like books. I like movies. He likes his doctor. She doesn't like her dentist. Not good. My brother Sam and I like New York. We like New York. But we don't like the traffic, and we don't like the cost of living. It's expensive. The verb like can be followed by a gerund. Do you remember what a gerund is? A gerund is a verb ending in ing. The verb like can also be followed by an infinitive verb. Do you remember what an infinitive verb is? An infinitive verb is a base verb with the word to in front of it. They like to play basketball. I don't like playing basketball, but I like to play pickleball. We like playing sports. She likes to cook. He doesn't like cooking, but he likes to eat. Now, instead of like, you can also use the word love. She loves to go to the beach. She doesn't like swimming, but she loves to sunbathe. And she loves getting a tan. I'm going to ask you some questions now. Here are your possible answers. I love it. I don't mind it. It's okay. Not really. It's not my thing. Do you like to travel? Or do you like traveling? I love traveling. It's fun. It's exciting. Do you like cleaning? Or do you like to clean? I don't like to clean. It's boring. Do you like to play soccer? Or do you like playing soccer? I don't like playing soccer. I don't like contact sports. Do you like exercising? Or do you like to exercise? I like to exercise. I don't love exercising, but I like it. Did you notice how we use the verb do in questions? Do you like to exercise? We'll talk more about questions in future videos. What do you like? What do you love? What don't you like? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, hit the like button.